everyone. Looking good down there. Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers Campus. This is a great place for a big speech. If I had anything important to say. It's time for a little Spidey exercise. Oh, hi. It's good to see you. What? Oh, no, not fighting bad guys today. I'm just testing some new tech in the suit for Mr. Stark. Watch this!
Spider-Man!
Oh, hey, Sharon.
Shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path for somebody to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time. Field testing, here I come. Clear the runway. Spider-Man is clear for takeoff. Wow! Oh no, this might hurt. No, I'm okay. The roof broke my fall. Has some bones, maybe.
Spider-Man, I'm getting some unusual readings from the suit. While I analyze, why don't you go down and meet your friends?
Okay, I'll be right down.